Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to download and enable ChatGPT voice-to-voice feature on iPhone and Android in 2024. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So all you need to do is to go to Play Store and install ChatGPT on your device. Immediately you're done, just go to your notification tab here. Click on the Add More option if you're using Samsung. Then click on Edit and you'll be greeted with the ChatGPT icon here. Just add it to your other notification and click on done. So I'm just going to open the ChatGPT app, click on continue, then next sign in with your Google account. Then next click on continue. So now if you want to access the voice feature, just click on the headphone icon here and you access the voice feature on your phone. So I'm just going to click on it and click on continue.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
So from here, you can be able to select different voices you want. So let's go through some of the voices they have.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
So I'm just going to leave it on the first voice here, which is this. So when you are done, just click on confirm. Then next, allow ChatGPT to be able to use your mic. So I'm just going to click on it and also click on allow here. Hello ChatGPT.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Yeah, I need you to generate some tips on how to grow YouTube channel from scratch.
Sure. Here are a few tips to help you grow your YouTube channel from scratch. First, create high-quality, engaging content that appeals to your target audience. Consistency is key, so upload regularly. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and encouraging discussions. Promote your channel on social media and collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Lastly, analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Do you have any specific type of content in mind for your channel?
So immediately you are done, you can either click on the mute button here. Now I've already muted it. Immediately you are done, just click on cancel. One of the things I love about the ChatGPT voice-to-voice feature is that it will generate both the write-up and the voice for you. So from here, you can be able to see all our conversation here. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and tell us your experience with the ChatGPT voice-to-voice feature. My name is Ebenezer from Osa Studio. Thank you for watching this video.